This week on The Produce Nerd, we're going to take you behind the scenes of an almond harvesting operation. This is a really exciting and unique harvest to see because besides the workers that are driving the different machines, there are no additional harvest workers needed. The three main steps that take place throughout the almond harvesting process are shaking, sweeping, and harvesting. During the shaking step, each individual tree is shaken to remove the nuts. This is accomplished with a shaking machine that has a protective grip in order to not harm the tree that latches onto the trunk and shakes the tree. This causes a lot of excitement in the field as it creates a raining down effect of almonds. These almonds are left in the field for approximately 4 to 7 days to dry. The actual number of days is determined based on the resulting moisture content of the kernels and the outer holes. The next step is sweeping, where a sweeping machine comes into the field to create a windrow. This step is done to make sure the field is ready for the harvesting machine. Once the fields have been swept, the harvesting machine goes through the fields to collect all of the nuts. The harvesting machine sucks up all of the contents that were swept into the windrow and is able to filter out the nuts from the extra soil and field debris that it collects. The extraneous field debris is discarded out the side of the machine, while the nuts go into a small trailer located at the back of the harvesting machine. Once the small trailer has been filled, a self-propelled trailer enters the row from the opposite direction, and all of the harvested nuts are offloaded. The self-propelled shuttle then transports the harvested nuts to either the stockpiles or to large trailers that then transport the nuts to the stockpiles. This is all dependent on how close the harvested fields are located to the stockpiles. Both the self-propelled shuttles and the trailers empty their contents onto an elevator that transports the almonds to create stockpiles. Each stockpile is distinguished by the harvest date, location, grower, and variety. The stockpiles are created because during the almond harvesting season, there is an excess of harvested nuts compared to what can be ran through the almond processing facility. So those extra nuts get stored in stockpiles. Within 2 days of being created, the stockpiles are covered and fumigated. They are fumigated in order to prevent any pathogen or insect issues from occurring. Only the conventionally grown almonds go through the fumigation step. In order to do this, a small hole is created in the cover, the fumigant is applied, and the hole is taped over. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to theproducenerd.com, where a new blog will be posted every Tuesday.